Question number 5, for each case, find the critical path. I'm starting at A and I want to get to J. This is a directed path, so we're looking for the maximum. I'm going from A to B to E, so that's 5 plus 8 is 13. I could go A to C to E, which is 5 plus 10 is 15, so I'm going to discount the A to B to E. I could go A to C to F, which is going to be 15. I could go A to D to F, which is going to be 9. Here I'm discounting the 13. Down here I'm going to discount the 9. I'm going to go A to C to E to G, so I'm going to add 7 to the 15, and that is going to give me 22. I'm going A to C to E to H, so coming down this way, so 15 plus 7 is 22. I could also get here by going A to D to F to H, which is going to be 15 plus 9 is 24. Up here there's only the one way of getting here. I'm going to keep that. Down here I'm going to get rid of the 22 and keep the 24. Then I could go from A to C to E to G down to I. So I'm going to add 12 to my 22, and that's going to give me 34. Or I could go from A to C to F to H to I. I'm going to add 10 to the 24, which is also 34. They're both the same value, so just take whichever one. It doesn't matter which one you pick. Then to get my last step, I'm going 22 plus 12. I could pick A to C to E to G, which is 22. I just discounted this one. It doesn't matter which one you kept. I just got rid of the second one. A to C to E to G to J, so 12 added to 22 is 34. A to C to E to G to I to J, I'm adding 14 to the 34, which is going to give me 48. We're going to keep the 48. The path ends up being A to C to E, A to C to E to G to I to J, and its value is 48. I could have also taken the other one. We would still end up with a path that's A, C, F, H, I, J. So these two paths both have a value of 48. For B, I can go A to B to E, that's 9 plus 6 is 15. I could go A to B to C, 9 plus 6 once again is 15. I could go A to D to C, which is 9 plus 8 is 17. To get back up here, I could go A to B to C to E, that's 15. I'm discounting the 15. Then to get back up here, I could go A, D, C, E, 17 plus 10 is 27. Here I'm going to discount the 15 for looking for the maximum path. Then down to here, A to D to F is 9 plus 8 is 17. To get to the G, I could go A to C, D to C to E to G. I'm going to add 5 to the 27, giving us 32. Or I could go from the A to D to F to G, so I'm going to add 2 to the 17, which is 19. I'm going to discount the 19 and keep the 32. I could get to my H. I have only one way of doing that, so A to D to F to H. 17 plus 2 is 19. Then my final step, I could do A to D to C to E to G to I. So I'm adding the 13 to the 32 to that step, 45. Or I could go A to D to F to H to I, so I'm adding the 16 to the 19, giving us 35. Which one do we take? Well, we're going to keep the 45. So the critical path is going to be A to D to C to E to G to I. That's our critical path, A to C to E to G to I to J. I could also have switched those around. A to D to C to E to C to E to G to I, like that. And it has weight of 45. And that's it for question number 5. Have a good day.